Good evening, everyone. My name is Ayman Sharif, and my topic is loan prediction using machine learning. I did my internship in Exosoft Technologies from July 8 to August 8, and company overview is the Exosoft incorporated in the year 2000. Exosoft caters to the learning and assessment interest for educational publishers and universities and schools, the government, defenses, and corporate sectors with operations in India, Malaysia and Singapore, and in UK and USA. Excelsoft is fast expanding to newer geographies. The vision of this Excelsoft is to reorganize as a thought leader in the technology and consultation who can develop and deliver world-class e-learning solutions that are reliable. Moreover, the mission of this Excelsoft company is that it is used to provide the best e-learning solutions using state-of-the-art technologies and that help our customers deliver better, faster, and cost-effective e-learning solutions. Over the years, Excelsoft has evolved in the comprehensive end-to-end solutions provider. Let us know the technology and services of the company. It is an end-to-end product engineering for educational and e-learning from vision of market. The Excelsoft bring the decades of our education product development experience to work with you in the envisioning and building and launching your next product in education. It engages with your business leaders right from the product inception stage to create an effective technology driven into solutions for your customers. It also defines and launch your MVP to gather market inputs and user feedback, and it releases and renames and repeat. The full form of MVP is minimum viable product. They also work as an extended arm to your business and product management and engineering to deliver your dream product. Awards and certifications of the company. What are the awards and certifications the company has taken? It is a ISO certification, that is IMS Data and Information Security Certificate. This award was taken for experience in building large-scale data analytic applications involving integrations with multiple platforms and petabytes of educational data on relational and NoSQL databases. And it was also taken in ISO 2015 certification for quality management system. It was taken for power your education on e-learning business with data-driven decisions making and insights. It has also a best innovation in pedagogical practices at the World Education Summit. Excelsoft has also taken the Microsoft Gold Certificate Partner for this was taken for Excelsoft's Cloud Certificate IT team that has helped over 80 global customers to successfully embrace clouds services as an essential element digital transformation. It has also a Microsoft Azure Cloud Solution Partner because it was proven methodologically to evaluate cloud readiness and facilitate successful transformation to cloud. It has also taken a AWS partner certification. So overall, Excelsoft Technologies is helpful for all the developers and also for the software products. And moreover, it is helpful for the educational schools, which provides more applications and softwares, which makes the work useful for the schools and educational institutions. And what my project was done in Exosoft was using a loan prediction project using the machine learning. So here I have a small introduction for machine learning. Machine learning is an arena of computer science which involves the learning of pattern identification and computational learning theory in AI. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. Machine learning can be used along with artificial intelligence. That is shown as machine learning generally refers to the changes in systems that carry out tasks linked with artificial intelligence. Such tasks include recognition, analysis, planning, robot control, and forecasting, etc. It explores the study and construction of algorithm that can make prediction on data. Data can be of any type. If we have a data set, we can predict any data. So machine learning is nothing but predicting and detecting the data. Machine learning is also known as testing the old data and training the new data. Machine learning is used to build programs with its tuning parameters that are adapted consequentially so as to increase their functioning by adapting to the earlier data. Now there is an introduction for loan approval. Loan prediction is very helpful for employee of banks as well as for the applicant also. We use a data set like what and all we need for the loan prediction. Loan prediction is nothing but helping the bank employees who are eligible for taking the loan. we are predicting the loan which is useful for the employees, like how much amount of data can be taken, how much amount of money can be driven to an employee by just predicting the information, that is taking the data set of the employee. The aim of this project was to provide quick and immediate easy way to choose the deserving applicants. As I told you before, it can provide special advantages to the bank. The loan prediction system can automatically calculate the weight of each feature taking part in loan processing, and on new test data same features are processed with respect to their associated weight. A time limit can be set for the applicant to check whether his or her loan can be sanctioned or not. Loan prediction system allows jumping to specific applications, so it can be checked on priority basis. It exclusively for the managing authority of bank or finance company. Whole process of prediction is done privately. No stakeholders would be able to alter the processing. Result against particular loan ID can be sent to various departments of banks, so that they can take appropriate action on application. This helps all other departments to carry out other formalities. How loan prediction works? As I told you before, we will collect the amount of data of the application, who is eligible to take the loan. The collected data can be taken to feature selection using gain of features. What and all features we take, like as is the applicant eligible or not, that kind of data will be featured. Next, we will train that model by using the training data set, and then we'll test the model on testing data set. Training the data set is nothing but taking the old data set and we'll be training that, so that we'll know whether the applicant is eligible or not. Then we'll take a new data set and test those model, just to check whether that applicant is responsible for that loan or not. Then we will analyze the results. So this was loan prediction project, what I did in Exosoft using machine learning. I used softwares like Panda and Anaconda to run machine learning. I use machine learning in Python language. So here I come to the conclusion of this topic, that we analyze the results of various different machine learning models to find the accuracy of each model. The accuracy is most important aspect for any organization. The experimental results show that the logistic regression is the best model among the entire model for the given data set for forecasting the loan for the customers. Here I finish my topic and I conclude it. Thank you very much.